It's your constant love that gives me strength. Under the starlight we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. This is the start of something beautiful. When the wind moves along your face, it captures everything I long to say. So don't look back, love, and don't you wait. Just say you'll run with me, come what may. Under the starlight we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. 'Cause this is the start of something beautiful. Here we stand, the world awaits. It's your love, I know, that gives me strength. Under the starlight we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. This is the start of something beautiful.
It's happening. Don't. Don't look that bad. So do you.
Ladies and gentlemen, would you please stand for the entrance of the bridal party? Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and on behalf of the North Yorkshire Registration Service, a very warm welcome to Allerton Castle. Oliver and Emma have asked me on their behalf to thank you all for being here today as they pledge themselves to each other in marriage.
Emma, you are the love of my life. We have grown together closer every day through most of our lives. I cannot imagine life without you by my side. Through all of life's stresses, you have been there for me, always able to make me smile with your optimism and outgoing nature. Smart, funny, gorgeous, and amazing in every way. I promise, no matter what life throws at us, to do everything in my power to make you as happy as you have always made me. I will be honest, supportive, and faithful to you, my friend, my wife, my partner in all things, for the rest of our lives. Above all, I promise to love you forever and ever.
Oliver, since I was 14 years old, possibly longer, I've never loved another person as much as I love you. I love how patient you are with me when I can't get the words right. I love how hard you work to help others. I love your boundless ability to retain interesting facts and how you give your all to things you're passionate about. You're the most kind, genuine, amazing person I know, and you bring out the best in me time and time again. And so today, as I become your wife, I make you these promises. I promise to ground you in the way that you ground me, guiding you through life with the same warmth, humour and reassurance that you give to me. I promise to always complement your weirdness with my weirdness, compatible soulmates that we are, and that I will always give you the space to be yourself. I promise that when we do fight, I will fight fair with you before inevitably realising we're on the same team. And I will face life's challenges with you, side by side, growing and learning together. I promise that I will always be there to support you in the best way I can. I'll be a compassionate teammate for you on the journey of life. And although I can't promise to solve all your problems, I can promise you won't have to face them alone. And finally, I promise that I will nurture the love that we share. I'll hold you close and tell you that I love you every single day from now into forever. And I will spend my entire life trying to make you as happy as you make me. My best friend, my companion, my soulmate, my husband.